Welcome to step 22. I do the SESTHS Truth Stellar Activation. I once again begin being able to receive my Truth Stellar activations, the Truth-Galactic Energies, and the Truth Cosmic Planes Energies, continually leading my shifts into higher and higher vibrations, frequencies, and dimensions. Let's begin. Start here and go down to the end. I do SESTHS Truth Soul Thalamus Complex breathing, humming. How to step by step. I am breathing my truth soul into my truth thalamus complex, which is located at the base of my skull where my neck meets my skull. I am inhaling my truth soul into my truth thalamus complex and my truth spiritual gateway, filling my truth thalamus complex. I am holding now for 6 seconds and placing a hand on my truth thalamus complex, which is at the base of my skull where my neck meets my skull, and massaging and or tapping. And as I am exhaling for 9 seconds, I am humming. I do this thalamus complex breathing, humming for 1 to 3 breaths, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am saying this out loud or to myself. I am, with my truth soul, intending and imagining. I am easily and enjoyably resonating, vibrating, harmonizing myself, my truth whole being, to the truth mid-8th dimension, through the truth 24th dimension, vibrations and frequencies. Or I am going to higher than the 24th dimension because my truth soul knows I can go. I am initiating, activating me using truth stellar activations for the rest of my life. Once more, I am infinitely raising up my truth adamantine particle power and my truth adamantine particle flow because I am creating this. I am that I am. I do this imagining for 1 to 3 breaths, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I ask myself, truth soul, for how long should I do this? And then proceed. I am imagining this. I am using my truth soul, imagining me easily and enjoyably resonating, vibrating, harmonizing myself, my truth whole being, to the truth mid-nth dimension frequencies, through the truth 24th dimension frequencies or higher. I am initiating, activating, using, creating truth stellar activations with my truth soul unified self once more. I am expanding my truth adamantine particles and my truth adamantine particle flow. I do imagining this for 1 to 3 breaths, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I am doing this SESTHS truth soul I energy stirring. How to step by step. I put my concentration on the constantly present connection of my eyes to my truth soul. I put my intention on the part of my whole being that I want to truth soul I energy stir. Here, my embodied, truth stellar activations. Wow, I'm feeling the energy here. Truth stellar activations. The Truth-Galactic Energies. And the Truth Cosmic Planes Energies forever. I am inhaling with my truth soul. I am exhaling for longer than I inhale. And truth soul I energy stirring. I am rotating my eyes. I am moving my eyes up and down. I am stirring my eyes, imagining my eyes stirring the energies, the quantum energies within me. If I like, I can stir a pain point, a discomfort. I can stir where my truth soul intuition tells me. I ask myself, truth soul, what's the best place for me to stir in my whole being now? And I proceed. I am stirring my truth stellar activations, the truth galactic energies, and the truth cosmic planes energies. I am doing this for 1 to 3 breaths, or for as long as my truth soul intuition tells me. I have reached the end. Congratulations. Now go to step 23. You have once again beginning to accept the truth stellar activation rhythmic pulsations of truth galactic energies and the truth cosmic plane energies, with which your truth soul will easily dissolve your truth lower dimensional energy layers within your truth auric field. Your truth soul will effortlessly your truth soul will effortlessly transmute your 3D particles into your next dimensional frequency bands. With these energies, your true soul will painlessly shift you into higher and higher frequencies, vibrations, dimensions, and realms. Your truth soul will smoothly give you new truth soul energetic templates as they become available. Your truth soul will efficiently give Truth-Gaia new galactic multi-dimensional energies, energetic and grid templates. Why? Because as I evolve, as you evolve, Truth-Gaia evolves. As Truth-Gaia evolves, you evolve. This is just another example, as with the Truth Adamantine process, you see how we are all one. So hug yourself and move on.